In this video, we'll be looking how to copy files from Raspberry Pi to your computer and vice versa. For that, we'll be using a client called WinSCP, which is a free SFTP, SCP, S3 and FTP client for Windows. We can download. So I'll try to install this. So it is asking you have stored sessions of sites in PuTTY client. Do you want to import? This is very helpful. You should do yes. Okay. And it will launch the WinSCP. So one is Ethernet based Raspberry Pi connection. Another is Wi-Fi based. So I'll be using Wi-Fi based and click on login. It will be asking the username and password. So immediately you can see on the right hand side, it has given us the file storage system of Raspberry Pi. And if you don't have anything in the PuTTY, you can simply go to new tab here and try to create a new site by clicking on here and give the host name. It can be either IP address or like this Raspberry Pi.local. And once you enter the host name port, you can simply use username and password. Now I'll try to edit the Raspberry Pi and provide the username password to save it. So it will be asking save password and I'm going to save it and click on OK. So always next time whenever we are trying to log in, it will not ask for the password. So you can see now it has not asked for the password and we can see here. Now what I can do is if I want to copy something, I can simply drag and drop something like led.py will be copied here and the test.py can be copied here as well. So this is how you can transfer data from Raspberry Pi to your computer and vice versa. Sometimes you can see if you want to delete something in the Raspberry Pi, it will be created by the Pi owner and you cannot delete from outside. Now if I click it, it will be saying permission denied. So how can we allow this deletion? So you can abort here. So go back to your Raspberry Pi and it is under programs. So now I can see ls, it is Adafruit. So what I can do is I need to give change permissions. So it is sudo chmod and recursively I need to go, that's why -r and 777 is the highest permission and which folder. So if you give like this, immediately so before refreshing, it was the rights were like this here and I can refresh this and you can see the rights got changed. And now I can easily delete this and it got deleted. So this is how you can delete a folder which was created by owner of the Raspberry Pi. That's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another interesting video.